So in the end of this video, what we're gonna have is a example website like this, generated very quickly with AI completely. It has book appointment. It opens your Calendly link. You can actually book people over here. You have all the information, all the necessary stuff. Our second website that I have is my personal one, like this one. Also, you can book appointment, or you can even add Stripe, so you can even collect payments. This is gonna be super easy tutorial how to do it very quickly. I'm just gonna show you the method and then you can build depending on what you need. But if I will be in very starting position, I will be very happy to know this information. And based on this video, only thing you're gonna have to pay is your domain, which is less than $10 if you have a simple domain like I have over here. So here we go. So if you're using cloud, then you can use Cloud Workspace. If you're using ChatGPT Codex, then you can use Google Antigravity or VS Code in my case, because I'm used to it and it's basically all the same. It doesn't matter which program you are using to run AI. In the end, it matters how you're gonna build it. So I'm gonna use VS Code, and also what I'm gonna use is called this website Netlify. It is super simple website. So I'm just gonna quickly register here a new account. And I'm gonna show you the whole process. So basically you have to just fill out all the information. It doesn't matter what you fill out, randomly fill it out and just click continue to deploy. So basically now, as you can see over here, you have start building with AI agent extra credits. I do not recommend use those because those credits very quickly expire and you can't build your website without paying. So I would not do that. Instead, what I will do is why I'm using programs like VS Code is gonna build here a website firstly with AI and then just upload it to this Netlify account. And I'm not gonna do it manually. I'm gonna give to AI my account settings. I know it's not safe, but it's super easy. And AI is gonna just upload my website, and also later it can automatically straight away do fixes on the website. But it is gonna cost credits if you have already uploaded it once to our website. So make sure you do everything perfectly outside of this Netlify, so then you don't have to pay. So as you can see over here, it has upload your project files. So let's go and first build some website. Basically what you can do, if you have any website that is looking like how you would like your website to be, then you can say it also to AI. AI is gonna learn from it. But if you don't have, then it's no worries. You're just gonna have to go more back to back with AI. And this time I'm gonna build using ChatGPT Codex because it is free. I don't wanna waste my AI cloud credits on it. So if you don't know what I'm doing right now, then first of all, I downloaded program VS Code, or you can download Google Antigravity. And here you have to go on the left side to extensions. In extensions, search for ChatGPT Codex, click on it, and then just install it. After installation, you can go and open it. It's either on the left side or as a small button over here, open Codex sidebar. As you can see, first of all, it gave me an error because by default, ChatGPT was using the latest module and it is not free. It is only for paid users. So what I went here on the bottom, I click on the modules and changed it to older one. And now I can use ChatGPT Codex for free. So let's tell AI some prompt. Also, you can change what permissions you give to AI. I'm just gonna give full access. It is not safe at all, but it's super easy. Depending how safe you wanna go, it's either auto review or default permissions. But as I want it to be super easy, then I'm just gonna give full access. And now what I'm gonna do is just write here what website I want. Please build me a website that is nice looking for a dental appointment. Make it interactive so that buttons are interactive and the website is a bit more interactive. Basically, it is a landing page, also a page about us, write them some random information. This is for video purpose, so it doesn't matter of accuracy. And also add there a button to add later a Calendly. And build this website overall, so person can go on a website and click to book appointment, and make it overall for a regular dentist. Make it super nice, fully already done. I don't want to add any details. You have to take care of all the details. So this is something I'm gonna just send to AI. Let's see how it's gonna do it. Also, what I'm gonna add is later this website is gonna be uploaded to Netlify. So what you have to do is build a website already here on the computer, and later I'm just gonna deploy it on the Netlify. Also added this one. Yeah, I think this is a first nice prompt to go. So let's send it. Now what you have to do is wait and hope that AI is gonna write everything for you perfectly the first time. So right now AI started me building. What I can do is go and have free stock images also on the website. And to get that you can use Pexels. It is a free API. All you have to do is just create an account. Find here on website image and video API. Click on it. Here just click your API key. Now it's gonna ask me some details. It doesn't matter because it is free anyways. So just randomly filled up this box, doesn't matter, agree to terms and services, and basically that's it. Now I'm just gonna have API key, I can copy it, go back to my AI and add it over here. I'm just gonna paste my API key over here. So in that case AI just can use already done images from Pexels. Also what you can add to your website is Calendly. You can start with free version if you don't have very much appointments in the beginning. What you can do is just register, make here an account that is free. Here you can also connect your Google. So if somebody registers anything, it's going straight to your Google. Here you can add your weekly hours when you're working. I'm just gonna click next. Place where you can meet with people. To be fair, Google Meet is the easiest, as you don't have to download anything. You don't need to have any program. You just click on the link and you have meeting already. And later, if you have a lot of clients, then of course you can have paid version, but that's it. Now I can copy link and close this Calendly. And also tell to AI, hey, here is my Calendly link. You can also set up Stripe to collect payments. So you just need to register a Stripe account and you can also add it over here. In the Stripe, what you can do is add a product, copy this product linked and also paste to AI. This is something out of this context. This is not something that is connected with this website, so I'm not gonna do this here, but I'm very sure you can find a lot of information online or ask AI how to do it. It seems also that AI has finished work, so I'm just gonna tell to AI to open this website. As you can see, it opened it. It is using images. You can click explore services. You can add here reviews later if you're gonna have any. It's gonna have Q&A also. Of course, for a dentist, it is good to have a location, all the information. But basically, it built me a website. It took around 20 minutes to build this. It is looking super nice. You have all the pages over here. You have all the stuff. And best thing is, if I click now book appointment, then it's gonna have this Calendly link over here, straight away here on the website. So a completely working website, depending on what you need, it's gonna generate you. Super easy to do. Of course, you can go back and forth. That's what I recommend to do. Click on every page, tweak it, tell to AI what you want to have, what you want to choose, what you want to remove, and so on and so on. So don't be scared to waste time on it because people are gonna click on your website and they want to have a nice website. You can add here more interactions, more movement. For example, like I have over here tools we use section where tools are going. Put a like on this website that everything is popping up, so it's quite nice website. Now, second thing you need to do is upload this website to Netlify. You can do it over here manually, or you can do the way that I'm gonna do, which is super lazy way. I'm just gonna skip this step for now. So click on your avatar here and down below and click user settings. Here click on applications and here click new authorization app. And after that, click new access token. You're gonna have to generate new token to give it to AI. So you can change when you want it to end. You can just click no expiration. You can rename it and click generate token. Now you can copy this token, go back to AI, give this token to AI, which might not be the best idea, but it is the easiest idea. So AI is giving me warning, which is a good thing, but I don't want to do anything manually. I'm just gonna do it automatically anyways. As you can see, AI is telling me that it will set it up without writing a token into a project file. You can tell AI to write it to project file, but in that case, it's gonna be saved and everybody who gets access to this token can change your website. So now AI is deploying and wants to connect to my account. So what I have to do is click authorize. So now access is granted to this AI. And if you don't want this anymore to be, then just go here to this user application, and here you can delete this one. That's what I'm gonna do after ending this video. So now AI has deployed it. It took it 10 minutes. I don't know why so long. Cloud did it much faster, but it gave us URL that now I can copy. And if I now paste this link, then it's gonna go to this website. As you can see, this is a free link, so that's why it is such an ugly one, but it's a free version, so that's why. But you still can add your custom domain even to this free version. And now if I go to AI and want to do some changes, AI can do it. Like I told before, then this one is gonna cost credits and they drain up pretty fast. So make sure that website is perfect or almost perfect before uploading, that everything works, that all the buttons work, that it actually loads the Calendly, also loads all the other stuff. Make sure that it has right content, that is your content, and only then deploy. Otherwise, your credits gonna run out fast and you're gonna have to pay for subscription. But if you don't want to pay for subscription, then use this method. And then if you click on the left side to projects, then you're gonna see your website over here. And if you click on this website, then you're gonna see domain management, and here you can add your custom domain. The cheapest one where I have both is mostly Namecheap. Here you just can go and search for a website. For example, like this website is less than $10. I can add it to cart and then deploy it. And later you can connect it over here. If you don't know how to connect, what you can do is always just copy your whole screen, pressing Ctrl A and then Ctrl copy, and paste this whole screen to AI and ask, hey, where I need to click. Setting up this domain is quite easy, and then it's gonna take some time, usually like a couple of hours, and then your website is gonna have personal domain. So according to this video, domain right now is the only thing that I'm gonna pay for, because I did it for free with ChatGPT Codex, and also I'm gonna use only the free subscription plan. And in the end, you're gonna have a website like I do have over here with my personal domain and no hints on Netlify at all. Of course, you can use paid AIs like Cloud. I have compared them with ChatGPT Codex in my previous video, but to be fair, if you need a website quickly, then this is actually perfect. I spent on it maybe total 1 hour building everything, and it's completely worth it. So this is how you have your free or almost free website very easily with AI without any big effort. Check also my other videos where I show other different tips, and join my Skool community where you can request different programs and scenarios, or you can just ask questions over there. But for now, have a beautiful day.